How to change wallpaper. Here's how to do it on the most common ones. Right-click on an empty area of your laptop. From the context menu, choose Personalize. Choose Background. Here you have two options to set either a picture and a solid color. In the picture option, you can choose either the default Windows wallpaper or the picture of your choice to set as a background. If you click on this wallpaper, the changes will be automatically applied. Now go to the desktop. You can see the wallpaper has been changed. Or you can select your choice of wallpaper. Click Browse to select a folder of images. Select your choice of wallpaper. Tab on Choose Picture. Now, if you go to the desktop, you can see the wallpaper has been changed. In the second option, which is a solid color, pick your choice of color. Suppose I pick orange color. Once you have selected your wallpaper, you can close the settings window. The changes will be automatically applied. These methods allow you to easily customize your Windows laptop wallpaper. Thank you.